Isaiah chapter 13 verse 10. For the stars of heaven and the constellations thereof shall not give their light. The sun shall be darkened in its going forth, and the moon shall not cause her to give to the shine.
Right, so that's you had the scriptures match up. You had a statement from Joel, and you had a statement from Isaiah. Two or three witnesses that the matter be established. So that shows you that it's going to be so catastrophic that you're not going to be able to see the lights of the firmament, and that's how gloomy. That's what Zephaniah coming. They're the dawn of a cloudy day, roughly paraphrasing, a day of gloominess and thick darkness. Alright? That should, you know what I think about that movie The Road, man. You watch that movie The Road,
yeah.
That was gloomy throughout the whole movie, man. From start to end it was gloomy. It's clouds. And it's grey clouds.
Even when 9/11 happened, when I got you on the telly and you see like the moon go down and then all that dust and smoke, that knocked down. So imagine like a whole city.
Because then you're saying the shit was then the smoke would go forth out of heaven. So that's no cloud that's in the sky, man.
Exactly, because it says give me hold that, give me Revelation 15 verse 1. Hold it now. Give me Revelation verse 15 verse 1.
Revelation 15 and 1, and it says,
because this is going to show you how the sun and the constellations are going to be blotted out.
Revelation 15 and 1, and it says, and I saw another sight in heaven, great and marvelous, 7 angels having the 7 plagues, for in them is filled up with the wrath of the Most High.
7 last plagues, man, meaning 7 complete destruction, man. Complete destruction, and the end destruction is the missiles. So this is what we're talking about right here. Go ahead.
And it says, and I saw as it were a sea of glass mingled with fire.
A sea of glass mingled with fire. What's that talking about? It's talking about the firmament.
Yeah, just enjoy your night, fellas.
Yeah, just
enjoy
laughing.
yourself.
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
This ain't for y'all.
Keep on laughing.
It's talking about the firmament, the sea of glass mingled with what? Fire. What's that fire coming from? That's that mushroom cloud, man. Because how the hell can a fire reach onto the firmament? A sea of glass mingled with fire.
You guys ain't gonna get it, man. Just have a nice state, man.
Brother, I'm a religious man as well.
Yeah, I know, but you ain't gonna get it, man.
Me, I'm not gonna get it.
You're not gonna. You might as well not even stand it because
I already know the 12 tribes. What you're talking about, the 12 tribes of Israel.
Okay.
Brother, I'm Middle Eastern.
It doesn't matter if you're from the Middle East.
Okay, what does it matter? What does it matter?
No, I'm saying you say you're from the Middle East. I said it don't matter if you're from where you're from.
Okay, what are you trying to talk about?
If the spirit is telling me you ain't gonna get it, you ain't gonna get it.
How can you tell me? Are you mean for you to tell me
But
that?
you know what though? Stick around. I would say stick around. Okay? We'll see if I'm proven, if you can prove me wrong. Okay?
I'm down.
Alright, man. So where you from anyway?
I'm from Middle East. I'm not gonna tell you where.
I know, but where?
Not too far away.
What did you say?
Middle East. I'm not gonna tell you where. I know
let the brother read.
You don't ask him to come to your house, man. Just ask you where you're from.
Doesn't matter.
Palestine.
There is a serious topic in these two.
It's alright, man. It's alright.
You just read it.
Back to Revelation 15 and 12, and it says, and I saw as it were a sea of glass mingled with fire,
Right?
and them that had gotten the victory over the beast, and over his image, and over his mark, and over his number of his name, stand on the sea of glass, having the harps of the Most High.
Right. So basically, we just been delivered from that nuclear destruction. Because it said that them that have gotten the victory over the beast, over the mark, that we were in the firmament, man. How did we get there? Because we just got beamed up from that fire, man. From that. The scripture says on the firmament, the sea of glass mingled with fire, man.
And you know what too? If I may ask, But see, they prove me right. They prove me right. That's why I said, just have a nice thing. Because you're not going to get this, man. But you know what though? But that proves right there that this is definitive that a nuclear war is going to happen.
What, you're Arabs?
Huh?
You're Arabs?
I'm an Arab, yes.
Arabs.
Ishmael,
Hey, you do know that your people got to pay for what you've done to these people. And don't act like you don't know. Like the Arab people are innocent. They haven't done nothing towards us so-called Negroes and black people.
Okay.
They played a
You know, because you know about the Quran.
Let me tell you where I'm from.
You know about the Quran,
Let me tell you where I'm from.
You said you're Arab.
You're talking about, yeah, let me tell you where I'm from.
So you're an Ishmaelite.
Let me tell you where I'm from.
Yeah?
I'm from Algeria. I'm from North Africa.
Yeah?
I am Arab.
Right?
We've had the biggest genocide in North Africa, yeah?
Right?
You're trying to talk to me about what we've done. Ask Nelson Mandela. What was the one thing Nelson Mandela said about us? What did he say? Algeria is my country. Why? When he was getting locked up, who was the only country that got elected?
Yeah, I did read about that.
Yeah? You trying to talk to me about that? So now who proved you wrong? Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
And then you want to run away.
I want to run away.
Hold on. Then you want to run.
I want to run away.
All I'm saying is your people got a lot to pay for.
Right,
Exactly.
right.
So you want to act like you Arabs don't try to act
Don't generalize us all in one. There's no point in generalizing everyone. If I generalize everyone for what one person
Hey,
does.
all I'm saying, you can stand and say what you want. I'm telling you the future for you and your people.
What's the future for me and my people?
Slavery, shackles and chains. We're gonna put you down. We're gonna turn you upside down. We're gonna hang you. Just like how you done to us, we're gonna take your woman, use them as concubines.
Okay.
Just like how everything you done to us, we're gonna castrate you.
You say we did that. Papa, I'm Muslim as well. I'm Muslim as well. You learn. I'm
So
Muslim
that
as well.
doesn't mean anything.
Let me tell you something.
Islam's gonna be blotted
Let me
out.
tell you something.
Give me Isaiah 2 verse 1.
Let me speak to you about
Give me
something.
Isaiah 2 verse
So you're
1.
not gonna let me speak now.
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah, but your words don't stand for nothing, man.
How?
What you got to say is not the word of the Lord. You're not here to teach nations and kindreds of people.
Did I say
all you got to hear to receive your condemnation, you're gonna go into slavery. And it's in the Bible. Islam's gonna be obsolete. Well, read it, man. Isaiah 2 verse 1.
Isaiah 2 verse 1.
Exactly, you Arabs, man.
You're hanging them upside down like
Exactly. We're gonna do to you what you've done to us, man.
You know what's funny?
We're gonna destroy Islam.
Do you know what's
The
funny?
Quran's gonna be
Do you know
obsolete.
what's funny? Not once.
It shall come to
Not once
pass.
have I insulted you with your religion.
Hey, but you've been insulting us for how many centuries? So don't talk about that. Read.
See, this is the two different things.
Isaiah chapter 2 verse 1.
Listen to this, go ahead.
The word that Isaiah the son of Amos saw concerning Judah.
So he saw
and
this
Jerusalem.
concerning Judah and Jerusalem. That's Judah, Benjamin, Levi, and all the tribes, man. Because your people have been exploiting my people. Your people have been exploiting my people, prostituting my people, exploiting my people and their children. Your people.
Well, really, it's the lost people, brother.
The Lord, God's people. The one that you call Allah.
Libya, innit?
In Libya, yeah.
Taking a piss.
You're going to be the new Libya in the kingdom of our heaven, of our eternal glory. Go ahead. Because you're talking to the Israelites.
Read into it,
You do
man.
know that we're the Israelites, right?
I
We're
know.
the Jews.
I
We're
know.
Judah.
I know.
We're not Africans. We're not what the white man,
Caribbean.
what you thought that we
Caribbean.
are.
No.
No, we're not Caribbean.
No.
We're not. When was the last time you heard of the ancient Caribbeans? Those are labels
I know there are
given
Israelites.
to us by our masters. That's not who we are.
But listen to
We're telling you that we're Hebrews.
fair enough.
And in fact, we're related to you.
You know what, too? Can I add?
We got the same ancestor, Abraham.
We have Adam and Eve. Started.
No, I'm talking about we're related to you.
But can I
We're both
interject?
Hebrews.
Can I
You're a Hebrew Ishmaelite. We're Hebrew Israelites.
All right.
Our ancestor is Abraham.
Yeah.
Bro, can I interject?
You was the first son. You was meant to be you was meant to get the firstborn the lot, man. But guess what? The Most High told Abraham to get rid of Ishmael and Hagar, man, and to choose Isaac. So we're the children of the promise. So we tell you. Our people are going to you expecting like you're meant to be telling us. You don't tell us nothing about God.
The real demon right there, man.
Okay. The God that you pray to. Hey,
Bro, I speak love. You're speaking hatred right now. Or you're speaking as hate. I don't agree with it.
We have every right to hate them. But what you mean? You have every right. How can you stand there?
Can I say one thing, right? Because I wanted to say this, and I'm glad you brought hate up. Listen, the a part of the transatlantic slave trade. They was a part of it.
You was a part of the trans-Saharan slave trade. You've been a part of a big time of slavery, of enslaving my
It
people.
was, man.
So now you want to act like they're innocent, like they're victims now. Read on, man. Read on, bro. Do not leave that verse, man.
Yeah, read also Revelation 13 as well.
Isaiah 2 verse 1. Come on now.
About 4 minutes left.
Isaiah chapter 2 verse 1. The word that concerneth Isaiah concerneth Amos concerning Judah and Jerusalem shall come to pass in the last days.
In the last days,